Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to try to be trapping something that's been killing our chickens. We started raising them from like little babies. We had 20 chicks, then when they was getting big we had 16 chickens, then we had a massacre and we went down to like 7, and then we went down to 4, and then the other night something got another chicken. And so we only have 3 chickens left. And so we're gonna try to trap them. I have a dog-proof coon trap right here, but it's dog-proof. You just squeeze that down. Well, kind of a little bit difficult to do, but you squeeze this part down. You set this right there. I'll show y'all later. I'll just do that. But we're gonna try to be trapping these. So catch y'all in a little bit. Okay, guys. So we are about to go set some traps and stuff. Yep. About to go set some traps. I gotta, the trap I showed you. My cousin, he's got a live trap. He's got a couple live traps right down there. It's like in the weeds or something. So like right down there and stuff. But we're about to go get those. And Gunner, who was on that 4-wheeler right there, he made that homemade live trap. We'll show you in a second. But yep. That's on a little bit. Okay guys, so I just did this right here. I tightened it up, poked a little hole, did that on the other side too. And so gotta set my trap in a second. So we'll see it. Okay, so we just got that set right there. Right there. And so we're gonna leave that right there and we'll come back tomorrow. I set it right here because I seen some chicken feathers and it's going back into there. And yeah, I see some chicken feathers going back off into there. So yeah, there's another chicken feather. So it walks there, it finds that, it thinks nom nom nom, dog food. Then it reaches its paw. I have some few kernels down there beside the trap. And then so he's gonna reach his hand in there, try to get some more dog food, and then he's gonna get caught. Hopefully. No traps today. Still, there's all those feathers right there. Okay guys, about to go check the traps. This is the second day of checking the traps. Yesterday we checked them, nothing. Today, I'm gonna go check them. Hey guys, we got a coon, and you can't see the coon because it's kind of bloody. And I'll point it just like right down here. His face is bloody, but none of that also is bloody. But not a great big coon, but it's a chicken killer. Caught him in the foothold trap, the one we set. And yeah, so we're gonna bury this guy. I was gonna skin it, but I just don't think I am now. So we're gonna bury him, and yep. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all click subscribe to Adam Tyler's Outdoors, and see y'all in the next one. And Mr. Ringtail was no more.